Hi, I'm Lori Hines with Cook, Learn, Grow. Welcome to our cooking school. We teach children how to cook and we love what we do. One of the things that we do in some of our classes is we play a game called Smell and Tell. And it's a way for us to engage our students with fresh herbs and their sense of smell and how that connects to food. So guys, I want you to learn how to play this game. It's a super fun game. You can use any herb you want or any spice or anything like that. And here's how you play it. I'm going to use this bundle of fresh herbs. It's basil, as you may have guessed. You can see the big, nice leaves. And what you do is you want to smell it and tell the first thing that pops in your mind. What does it remind you of? A person, a place, a thing, a food, whatever. There's no wrong answers. It's so much fun. So I'm going to play smell and tell with this basil. Ready? Here we go. This basil reminds me of spearmint gum. I used to chew spearmint gum when I was a kid and get in trouble because I smacked all the time. Yep, that's what comes to my mind. Spearmint gum from my childhood. I have some other herbs here I'm going to share with you. All right, this is, any guesses? You got it, mint. All right, let's play smell and tell with mint. This also reminds me of mint gum. It also reminds me of lemonade, a mint lemonade. I tasted a mint lemonade one time when I was on a trip to Israel. They served this drink called limonada, and it's a mint lemonade, and this is what it reminds me of. It smells so fresh. Okay, last one. This herb, any ideas? What does that look like? This is thyme, T-H-Y-M-E, thyme. All right, smell and tell. Here we go. Oh, that reminds me of a yummy tart, like a quiche that I ate, or I actually made and ate not too long ago. Oh, this smells so good. It also reminds me of cooking school in New York City. We used a lot of fresh thyme in our recipes. It smells great. That is how you play smell and tell. Try it with your friends. You can also do spices. Open up several different spices and smell and tell and see what everybody comes up with. It's a fun way to work with herbs and spices and to have fun with it. All right, guys, thanks for joining me here on Cook, Learn, Grow. Happy cooking.